Vicks VapoPads, 6-count, soothing menthol vapor pads for Vicks humidifiers, vaporizers, waterless vaporizers, and plugins, VSP19. About this item. VapoPads refill. These Vicks VapoPads are non-medicated refill pads for Vicks humidifiers, vaporizers, waterless vaporizers, and plugins. This 6-count pack of vapor pads is designed to provide relief from cold, cough and flu with soothing menthol vapors. Long-lasting relief. Each pad provides 8 hours of comfort with Vicks plug-in and waterless vaporizers, inhalers and humidifiers, so you can breathe easier and sleep better. No mess refill. These menthol vapor pads are easy to use and install, with no messy spills. You'll never have to worry about vaporizer liquid spills again. A century of powerful relief. At Vicks, we believe that everyone deserves a touch of care. Our line of humidifiers, steam inhalers and vaporizers help you breathe better and sleep more comfortably, wherever you are.